So today we're going to take a look at the features of Social Post Wizard GPT that will allow you to create visual briefs or creative prompts. You can see on the list here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5. I could just put in the number 5 here, or I could say that. And I'm just going to put in the number 5 so we can see how that looks. And you can see it recognized that I chose that. And now it's asking me some questions, right? Do I want a visual brief of some social media content? Do I want platform specific? Do I have a target audience? Do I have a visual style, composition, key management, do's and don'ts, and some ideas of some AI prompts? It also gives us some platform specific ideas and then says, do you want me to create a brand plus an industry, 5 scroll stopping post concepts, Canva ready layout, AI prompts? You can do many, many things in here. But just to give you a quick overview, don't forget to look at our video on how to create your content, your brand content, so you don't have to constantly tell the platform about your particular brand style and tone. But in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, let's see. I think what I'll do is I'm going to tell the system to use one of my URLs. We'll use the one for socialpostwizard.com and ask it. We'll start out just asking it for some post concepts. Let's see how that goes. Look at socialpostwizard.com and give me 5 scroll stopping post concepts that I can use for that URL. And for those of you that don't remember, this is WhisperFlow that I'm using, and that's links below. So it just came back with some content, some hooks, and some ideas on things that I might be interested in doing, and things like infographics, what visuals, and then now it's asking me for information on the formats that I want to use, and are there things that I want to specialize in. So you can see how you can do all different kinds of things in here. You can kind of just keep working it. So in this case, I'm just going to go with number 5, and I'm just going to ask it to create me an image for this. I like concept number 5. I'd like you to create me an image based around that concept that I can use on multiple social media platforms, more than likely a square image so that it fits most everywhere. And you can see in seconds it starts generating my image. And I'm going to pause this. It might take up to a minute to generate the image. And that was actually less than a minute. And you can see it created kind of a Pixar-style image. I like those myself. But it immediately created that image for me. Now, if I wanted to take this a step farther, I can come in here and just click the plus button and bring in my logo and ask it to put my logo on here. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. When I click the plus button, it'll open up my browser or my drive, and so I need to pause for a second while I get that logo. So I've just attached my logo here, and now I'm going to just give the instructions and say, please remake this image and place my logo in a position on the new image that looks great for branding but isn't too obtrusive. You can make up your own language on how you want to tell it, but that's a good prompt to use. Okay, so that was, again, less than a minute. Let's see what it comes up with. And now it's embedded our logo down here on the bottom corner. I don't really like that because it's over the top of the words "get started today." So I would probably modify this again with a little bit more communication. And as you can see, you can kind of make up whatever you want. So let me try this all over again with a new prompt. And I'm going to give these instructions just like I did before, but add the logo in at first. And I'm going to ask for a photorealistic image. I like concept number 5. I want a photorealistic image that is square, that will fit into many social media platform types. I want you to use the attached logo in the image so that it is branding the image and in a place that's not overwhelming. Use your judgment. Let's just go with that. So you can see now we got a different kind of an image, more photorealistic, with some hands holding a phone, with the information that we want to use in the phone and the logo in the corner. I like this. And when I gave it the new prompt, I didn't even attach the logo at that time. It knew the logo was there from before. So those are some of the kind of things that you can do with the image generation portion and prompt generation of Social Post Wizard. Play with it, have fun. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. It gives you lots of hooks, lots of things to look at, lots of options.